This video is going to show you how to create a folder structure template. That way all of your matters can have similar folder structures. If your firm does not already have an internal client, go ahead and create one. I'm going to go to Create New, and I'm going to create a new company. I'm going to give it the name Internal, all in capital letters with parentheses around it. The reason that I'm using the parenthesis around the name is that way it will show up at the very top of my lists. Now I will scroll down to the bottom and click Save New Company. Now I'm going to create a new matter. I'm going to name this new matter Folder Structure. And last, I'll click the refresh button. Now I'm going to go to my A drive. I'm going to open my Open folder. And you'll see we now have an internal folder that corresponds to the internal client we created. And when I open it up, we now have a folder structure folder. Now we need to create a folder for the name of the template we want. If different attorneys have different preferences, you might create templates using the attorney's name. Or if different practice areas need different folder structures, you might use practice area name. I'm going to create a folder named Divorce. Inside of Divorce, I'm going to create folders that are relevant to this case type. I can use any names I want, and if I want, I can also include subfolders and files in here. Now that I have this finished, my template is created. Now I'll show you how to use this template. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go into Clio and I'm going to create a new matter. And I'm going to create this matter for John Smith. And I'm going to say this is a contentious divorce. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my A drive, I'm going to go to Open, Internal, Folder Structure, and because this is for a divorce, I'm going to go ahead and go into the Divorce folder, and I'm going to select everything in this folder. If there are specific items that I want to exclude or include, I can actually hold down the Control key on my keyboard and click individual items to cherry pick and either add or remove items from my selection. Once I have the items that I want, I will right click on the selection and I will choose Copy. Now I'm going to go back to my A drive. I'm going to go to Open. I'm going to go to Smith, John, and I'm going to go into his contentious divorce folder. Now I will right click in here and I will select Paste. Now this matter has the desired folder structure.